Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Dyson V12 turn off automatically. Then here you will see on the official website of Reddit, people share their opinion and solution regarding this. This is the problem Dyson V12 turn off automatically. When people says that I clean the filter, the bin I use a bit later, and inside of it turn off 2 times in a row, and the third time work normally. What is the problem? Here you will see these are the people's opinion regarding this. One people says that I had the exact problem and I have had enough with 2 months of useless back and forth with the European support. Even though I thoroughly wash and clean the original filter, it keeps shut off for some reason. So today I receive a third party replacement filter from Amazon and problem solved. So hopefully this is the solution of your problem. Is the filter replacement. So we'll need to replace the filter. Hopefully this will solve your problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.